Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day and you're enjoying our tutorial so far. If you're new to our channel, we post new DIY projects every week, so do consider subscribing to our channel. Now without much further ado, let's begin this tutorial. So what you're going to do is take your masking tape and paste it on your canvas in any pattern that you like. I'm just going with straight lines because I think it looks so clean and neat. Next, what you're going to do is take some paint. Here I'm using black chalk paint, but you can definitely go for an acrylic paint or a poster paint, whatever you have on hand. I got the chalk paint from a craft store called Itsy Bitsy, but you can order it online if you're unable to go outside right now. All the things that we have used in the video, we will try to link it down below in the description box if you want to purchase it. What I'm essentially doing is just taking a bit of black paint and mixing it with white paint, and with that just creating different shades of gray and filling up the canvas spaces randomly. I did not really plan on how or where I wanted the colors to be. I just kept on mixing a little bit of black paint with white to get different shades of gray, and then I started painting it on the canvas. Once you're happy with the placement of your paint, now comes the most fun part, which is removing the masking tape. I think it's so satisfactory. Now what you're going to do is take gold tape. I got this from Amazon. We will start sticking it in areas where earlier I had put on the masking tape. I think it gives a very high-end look. And here is the final output of this tutorial. I think it turned out so great and it looks so high-end. A big shout out to Decor Snippets on Instagram. If you don't follow us on Instagram, our handle is @GoDIYIt. Do follow us there. If you loved this video, hit the like and the subscribe buttons so that you never have to miss another video from us again. Hope you're keeping safe wherever you are. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.